Welcome to Clade, the covert league of animal detective experts.
Sam Snow.
Kid Casey.
Cases.
The disaster at the dust spa.
I could really use a bath.
I'm looking forward to this.
I can't wait.
Me too.
Come on in, chinchillas. Time to scrub your worries away in our fabulous dust baths.
Dust baths.
So dusty.
So nice. Our volcanic dust is 100% moisture-free and contains absolutely no trace of water. Water! Everybody, run!
Oh no, we're trapped.
Hey! In here, everyone! In here!
Come on, Sam. We'll be late to the info session on hippo safety.
Just a moment, Kit.
How much longer are you gonna be?
Sorry, Kit, but nice fur takes time. And done. This is the best my fur has ever looked.
Sam, your fur looks the same as it always does. The clay crest!
Director Scratch has a new creature case for us.
Excuse me, agents, but this new case has really ruffled my feathers. In the South American desert, water has begun to flow into a chinchilla dust spa.
Oh no.
Hold up. A dust spa?
Yep. Instead of water baths, chinchillas take dust baths. Chinchilla fur is so thick, it can be dangerous if it gets wet. Their fur takes forever to dry, which can make them cold, which can make them sick.
Taking care of your fur is important, but why dust?
The dust rubs away dirt and restores their fur's natural oils.
We chickens love a good dust bath, too. Agents, it's your mission to figure out where that water is coming from and put a stop to it before anyone gets wet.
You can count on us, Director. We'll save the chinchillas and their fur.
Now arriving at destination biome. South American desert.
The chinchillas are down there.
This dust spa is not looking very dusty.
Hey, you two!
Hello, I'm Agent Sam Snow.
And I'm Agent Kit Casey.
Sorry, but the dust spa is closed. Can't you see we have a major problem here?
Don't worry, ma'am. We're from Clade, and we're here to get to the bottom of this.
And we know how important your fur is. I don't like getting mine wet either.
Oh. The shine of your fur. The perfectly angled strands of hair. The scent of lemon.
Lemongrass.
How fabulous. My name's Sheila. It's nice to meet someone else who really takes care of their fur.
Likewise.
Sheila, we really need to get you all out of here. Come on, we can carry you.
I'm not going anywhere near that water, Missy.
What happened?
It's okay. When chinchillas get startled, they can fur slip. That means they release a clump of fur to escape.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! We don't want anyone losing their fur.
See? He gets it.
Kit, I think we'd better split up. I'll stay here and make sure the chinchillas stay dry.
And I'll go up there and figure out where that water is coming from.
Sounds like a plan. Stay in touch.
So soft.
Aha! So this is where the water's coming from. Better fill it up. Sam, I just filled in a watering hole up here. Did that stop the water down there?
Yeah, it stopped it. Wait, another waterfall just started.
Another one? But that doesn't make any sense. There must be some other water source. I'll keep looking.
Good luck.
Do I also detect a hint of lavender in your hair gel?
Well, sir, I would step back. You don't want to get...
I'm wet! Oh, the water got me!
He may never recover from this!
I'm done for. I'll catch a cold! Or worse, I'll stay wet forever! Doomed to walk this earth with soggy fur! Ah!
Now, don't panic. It was just a little drop. Cluebot, activate hairdryer mode. We'll have you dry in no time.
Footprints. But whose are they?
Help!
Huh?
Help me!
Quicksand!
Help! Help! I'm stuck!
Just stay calm and wiggle your toes.
Wiggle my toes?
Yeah, it'll help me pull you out.
Okay, I'm wiggling them. Phew! Thanks for saving me. But where'd this quicksand come from?
Quicksand forms when there's a lot of water underground. Someone must be digging these holes, releasing the water.
You know, I did see some donkey fella carrying a shovel.
A donkey? Ah, so those were his footprints I saw.
I think he went that way.
And that must be the second waterfall Sam mentioned. I bet this donkey had something to do with it. Sam, I'm getting closer to solving this. How are the chinchillas?
They're fine. But you were right about one thing. Their fur really does take forever to dry.
Sam, look! The water's rising!
Kit, you better hurry.
Will do.
Stay back, everyone. I don't think we can stay here much longer. It's too dangerous.
But the water's so high. How will we get out without touching it?
I've got a plan.
Here's the water. Now where's that donkey? Aha! Excuse me!
Oh, hi there! You thirsty? Gonna get this water really flowing any moment now.
Actually,
Not many people know we donkeys dig watering holes. Sure helps in a dry desert. Yeah.
but
I've met many a thirsty creature on my journeys.
actually, all these new watering holes are flowing down into a canyon nearby, putting a chinchilla dust spa in danger.
Danger? Huh. There she flows!
Oh no!
Okay, everyone. Time to get out of here.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, careful there.
We made it!
Why didn't they move this fast before?
Sam, there's a lot more water headed your way. You have to get the chinchillas out of there.
Don't worry, Kit. They're already out. Everyone's safe. Sheila!
I'm not abandoning my spa.
Sheila, if you want to protect your fur, we have to go.
But I can't leave my spa! Oh, okay, fine. But don't let the water get me.
I promise as an agent of Clade.
A big wave's coming! We're going to get soaked!
Oh no, you're not!
Sam, your fur!
I'm fine. Let's just hope Kit can stop this water for good.
I gotta stop this water for good. That boulder should pluck it up.
What are you doing, dude? I just hit the jackpot.
Look out below! Phew. Sam, did you and the chinchillas get wet?
Just me.
Oh, that's good. Well, not good, but you know.
Sorry for all the trouble, dudes. I promise oops, to be way more careful where I dig my watering holes in the future.
You'd better. I've got a business to run here.
Whoa, dusty little dudes.
Well, water stopped and the chinchillas are safe. Guess that's another creature case closed.
Thanks for all your help, Sam. And Kit, care for a free dust sample?
Ah, it feels amazing. This has to be the best my fur has ever looked.
You know, it does look pretty great. Let me try some of that. Oh, that is nice.
Fact file.
Yeah! Vice Squad Fact File. Bill.
Jill.
Status.
Chill.
System. Settings.
Set to thrill.
Update, chinchillas.
Fact file.
Chinchillas don't go to spas, but they do take dust baths.
The dust rubs away dirt and restores their fur's natural oils. Fact file.
Chinchilla fur is super thick.
It's so thick, it would be dangerous if they got wet. Fact file.
When something grabs them, chinchillas can fur slip.
They release a clump of fur to escape.
Error. Upload incomplete.
How to fix it?
Move your feet.
Fact file.